Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to sign out of a Minecraft Microsoft account. All right, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, just go ahead and open up your Minecraft launcher. And then here, just go ahead and go to the top left, click on your Microsoft account. And then just go ahead and click on View All Accounts. Okay. Or if you want to, you can just go ahead and log out right here and just sign in to another account if you want to. Okay, I'm just going to show you right here, View All Accounts. Okay, you could just easily switch accounts from here. All right. Or if you want to remove your account from this launcher, just click on the three dots and just click on Remove Account. Okay. Or switch, you can click on it, wait for it to load, and then once it loads, go ahead and sign in with a different account from here. All right. Just use a different Microsoft account and then follow simple prompts. And once done, the other account will be logged in. And again, you can just easily switch accounts from here or in this section. Now, if you just want to sign out, okay, you have that option again in here and just log out. Now, if you want to remove your profile again from this launcher, click on the three dots from here under settings and remove account. And there you have it. That's how simple it is to sign out of Minecraft Microsoft account. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.